In this video, you will learn how to use OR condition with Excel built-in function SUMIFS. SUMIFS is usually used to summate data rows based on multiple criteria. That is, if all the specified criteria are evaluated to true, then the values in the sum range will be included in the summation formula. SUMIFS by default use AND condition. For example, if we have to find the sum of revenues for condition region is equal to central and product is equal to XYZ, the SUMIF formula will look like. This formula has returned a value of 765543, which matches with the subtotal highlighted in yellow applied on filtered data for region is equal to central and product is equal to XYZ. Now let us see how to apply an OR condition in SUMIFS. I want to find the sum of revenue with condition region is equal to east or west or central. Easiest way is to create three SUMIF functions for each condition and add it up. If the number of OR conditions are more than 3, it will become a big formula with many SUMIFs. There is an easy way of doing it with just one SUMIF, which I am going to cover in this video. Cell H2 shows the result of 3 SUMIFs, each for east, west and central, which is 6449692. This matches with the value which I have printed using subtotal function applied on this filtered list. So I have filtered this data set on region, central, east and west. So the results are matching. So as I mentioned earlier, if we have more OR conditions, we will end up having more SUMIFs, which is not good. Let us see how to write a single SUMIFs function to achieve the same results. So I am in cell H1. I'm going to type the formula. SUMIFS, select the sum range by 68. I'll select the criteria range, which is region 568. Now I will give the criteria. I will start with a curly brace because I have to give multiple conditions for OR. So I'll enclose the first condition in double quotes. I'll write east, close the double quotes, comma. Then the next one is west. Third one is central. Close the curly brace. I'll close the SUMIFS bracket. Let us see what happens by pressing enter. See here it printed 3 totals. The first one, the SUMIF for east region, second is for the SUMIF for the west region, and third is the SUMIFs for result for central region. So let us see whether it is summing up to the correct value. So we will say sum. I will select these 3. See, it is showing the same result 6449692 as this and this. So I'll remove this SUMIF. So now this has become an array formula because we have given an array. So it printed the results of 3 regions separately, but this is not our objective. So our objective is to print the sum of all these 3 regions in one cell. So how to do that? So I will modify this formula and I will enclose the current formula inside a sum function. So I'll put the bracket here. I will close the bracket here. So I have enclosed the SUMIFS function inside a sum function. So I'm pressing enter. Let's see. So now it printed the same result. So let us look at the formula. So SUMIFS enclosed inside a sum. Now I can add an AND condition also along with this OR condition. So like the normal SUMIFS. So I will add a condition that product is equal to XYZ. So I'll select the product range by 68. I will say product is XYZ. Press enter. So it printed a total. So let us verify this. So this sum product. So I have to apply the same filter here also. So region filter is already there. I will add the product filter and select. I will select only XYZ and see it printed the same figure 233,961 printed the 3 here. So this is how we write or condition using a curly brace and enclose that inside a sum function in order to print it in one cell. We can add another condition for customer also. We can replace the multiple criteria east, west, central enclosed in the curly brace with a named range. For that, I will update the criteria values in cells J1 to L1. So I will update east in J1, west in K1 and central in L1. Then I will select these three, go to formulas in Excel menu, click on name manager, click on new, I'll give the name as region, click OK. So if I'll close it, go to name manager and select region. I click on this, it will select this. So I will replace the curly brace criteria with the named range here. So in the formula, I will remove this and replace it with the named range region. So the named range appears here. Double click and press enter. So I got the same value as this 233,961. So I'll show you the formula once again. So instead of the curly brace, I updated the named range region in the SUMIFS formula, and the named range is the three cells J1 to L1. That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post.